Hello Casey U3A tutors, it's Chris here. I've decided to create a short screencast on the best way to log into Zoom and to start your meeting, and also how to sign in and sign out. So I'll just type in our Zoom address, zoom.us. I'm using a Lenovo laptop, Android system. If you're on a Mac, it might look a little bit different, but you're basically looking for a sign-in spot or my account. Click that. Type in our email address, kcu3a@gmail.com, and our new password. And then click sign in. Now notice here, for some reason the tick is remaining there, stay signed in. Because we have different tutors using our account, that shouldn't actually be ticked. So if you see that, please take the tick off it. Now you can click sign in. And it defaults to our list of meetings. So these are the meetings that I have scheduled. As you know, the Zoom coordinator, which at this instance is myself, should be the only one scheduling meetings. So you simply find your class, and for this purposes of this screencast, I'll just go to my own book club and simply click the start button. Open the meeting. Mine always opens on the side there, so I'm going to enter full screen, maximize it. Okay, good idea to open participants. As each member joins, you'll hear a little ding to alert you to the fact that they're in the waiting room. They can rename themselves up here as well. If someone joins and you can't see them, get them to find the video icon and click on the camera. The same with the microphone up here. Once you've finished your meeting, it is really important that you click the end button and you end the meeting for all. Now, for some strange reason, usually this would then default back to the meeting list, and you would have the Casey icon, which I didn't point out at the beginning, up in the corner, and you would click on that and you would click sign out. For some reason it's not doing that, so if you don't see the Casey icon to sign out, could I ask you please to close the Zoom, log back in again, go to my account, which is now showing that icon, and click on that and click sign out. Again, because we're sharing it with different tutors, it is important that each person signs out after they've finished hosting. That's it. Thanks very much.